Software Spring. Presents. How to use cumulative interest payment function in Google Sheets. Hi folks, greetings. Welcome to this tutorial on cumulative interest payment function. Here's an intro to the function. Cumulative interest function returns cumulative interest on a loan for an interest rate, a loan tenure, loan amount, and first and last period. Okay, let's look at the syntax of the function formula. Rate is the annual interest rate. Number of periods is the number of payment periods. Present value is the present value of a loan. First period is a number representing a starting month or year of the period range. Last period is a number representing an ending month or year of the period range. End or beginning specifies when payment is made. It can have a value of 0 or 1. 0 is for payment made at the beginning of a period. 1 is for payment made at the end of a period. Alright, let me create the drop-down list for annual interest rate, loan period, and loan amount. The drop-down list is optional, but helps in conducting a what-if analysis by changing the loan data. First, click this cell. Click Insert, drop-down. In the Data Validation Rules pane, type the value for option 1 and option 2. Click Add another item to type the value for option 3. Repeat the steps for as many options. Click Done. Repeat the steps for loan period and loan amount. Going forward, let me type the value for first period and last period for year 1. Alright, we are all set to type the cumulative interest payment function formula. First, type the equal to symbol, CUMI, and select the function. For rate, click this cell and type comma. For number of periods, click this cell and type comma. For present value, click this cell and type comma. For first period, click this cell and type comma. For last period, click this cell and type comma. For end or beginning, type 0, assuming interest is paid at the beginning of the month. Type the closing parenthesis. The final formula is. Press Enter. OK, the function has returned the cumulative interest paid for the specified period. Alright, before I copy the cumulative interest payment formula to these cells, I will make the addresses of these cells absolute, so these do not change when I copy the formula. Click this cell. Click before the address, and press F4, and press Enter. The final formula is. For first period of year 2, type this formula. For last period of year 2, type this formula. Copy the formula. OK, the function has returned the cumulative interest paid in year 2 and 3. Now, let me change the interest rate to 12%, loan tenure to 5 years, and loan amount to 2 lakh rupees. Copy the formula in these cells to these cells. There you go. The function has returned the cumulative interest paid in year 4 and year 5. Quick review. Cumulative interest payment function returns the cumulative interest paid for a loan. The cumulative interest function formula is creating a drop-down list for interest rate, loan period, and loan amount, assists in a what-if analysis. That's it, folks. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel.